Hello and welcome to Worktrum. My name is Vicky and today I will be showing you how to add a new user. Once logged into your account, locate the Account menu option at the top of the screen and select Manage Employees. List of employees is displayed. Locate the Add button at the top of the screen and select to add new user. Provide all information needed on the screen. Some fields like email are optional, but you may want to provide them now if you know the information to save time in the future. Select the type of worker. W-2 contractors would indicate that this worker is not full-time, but you will be providing W-2 to them at end of the year. Independent contractors get a 1099, not W-2. Notice the type of user. If this user was admin, you will need to select applicable permissions. Basic users are non-admin and have no admin functionality available to them. Once you are comfortable with all entries, click on Submit. If all data needed was entered correctly, you should get a confirmation message indicating the user was added successfully, and System will navigate you to the list showing the newly added user. If you have more than 10 users in the system, you could use the pagination functionality to show next page until you get to the employee or filter by first name and last name to find the newly added user. We also provide sort functionality to allow you to easily find employees using applicable fields. To auto-find employee using the auto search fields, just select the search filter on the results table and enter the applicable name. Notice that as you enter name of the employee, it automatically filters and shrinks down the list of users to reveal matching records. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions or difficulties, please reach out to our support team via email, support@worktrum.com, or use our live chat support channel.